So, good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss acid basis salt. This is the part one video. So, to get the part two video, you can subscribe to the to our YouTube channel. So, let us start. So, here is the introduction of the acid bases and salts. So, the water is let us know some basic information. Basic. So the chemical difference between the acids and the bases is that acids produce hydrogen ions. So you should know that the acids produce hydrogen ions and bases accept the hydrogen also they accept hydrogen ions. So what does acid do? They produce, and what the bases do? They accept. This is simple. So you have to remember this. This is the basic information. When bases are added to other water, they split to form hydroxide ions. So, as they accept the hydrogen ions, so when they are added to water, bowl of water is when bases are added, then they form hydrogen ions, which is written as OH minus. So, we can say base plus water, that is H2O, results in OH minus. For example, in soap, base is present. In lemon, acid are present. You know, lemon it's very sour because of the acids. So now let us go to the next slide. So here we will talk about acids. So what are acids? The substances that taste sour. So we all know what is the meaning of sour are called acids and the nature is acidic. For example, if I take lemon, when you eat lemon, it is very sour in taste. We can't eat much lemon because it is very sour. Now why it is sour? Because acid is present in it. Which acid? Citrus acid. The name of the acid is citrus acid. Now because acid is present in the lemon, it is acid. Now it because it has acid, the nature of it would be acidic. It is simple. Second point, the term acid is derived from a Latin word acere, which means sour. So there was a Latin word acere, it means sour. From that, acid is derived. So we all know this from class 6 5. Acids are bitter to taste. Sorry, here I want to make correction. Acids are sour to taste. Bases are bitter to taste, acids are sour to taste. So sorry for this wrong information. Here I have corrected. Now examples of acid include the inorganic substances. Inorganic means from the minerals of earth. Minerals of earth. Now if we dig earth, then there will be some minerals. From that we can derive these inorganic substances, known as also the mineral acid, as I told, because it is found from the minerals of the earth. It is called mineral acids. Now, some of the examples of mineral acid are sulfuric acid. Now, you know sulfuric acid is king of chemicals. King of chemicals is what? Sulfuric acid. You should know this. Nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, phosphoric acid. Types of acid. First, organic acid. Second, inorganic. Now, let me tell you some information about these two. Now, organic acid are not so strong. They are weak. Whereas whereas the inorganic are very strong because they are from the mineral. From the names you can know sulfuric. Why is this called king of chemicals? It is the strongest acid. Now we will learn about the pH value. There I will explain this more. It is in the part 2 video of this. Let me clear all this. Next slide. Now here in this slide we are going to learn about water bases and some information about bases. The substances that taste bitter. Now I told you in the previous slide that acids taste sour and bases taste bitter. They call base, and their nature. What is nature? You know basic. Now for example, if I take soap solution, Now it is very slippery to touch, yes or no? So why it is slippery to touch? Because it has a base. It has a base known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now because it has this base, remember the name, it has this base, it is slippery plus very bitter to taste. Now of course we don't taste the soap, but we from the scientist inventions, from the scientist research, we came to know it is very bitter to taste, and it is also slippery. Now example, baking soda containing sodium hydrogen carbonate, which I told you now. Now one more information, bases are also known as alkaline. Now what is alkaline? Now alkaline, there is another name for bases, they are known as alkaline. Note, all bases are alkali, not all alkaline are bases. For example, if I say sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is a alkali. But you can say that all the alkali which are present, it is a base. Okay. So I'm erasing all this stuff. Next slide. Now we are going to learn about some application, good applications of acid and bases. There must be some application of acid bases. Now for in the applications, we will learn uses of acid and uses of base. First of all, uses of acid. Now H2SO4. What is H2SO4? Sulfuric acid, king of chemicals. It is used in some medicines, strong medicines, some stuff like in the hospitals it is used. Now what where carbonic acid is used? It is used in this, you can see. What are these? Yes, these are the cold drinks. In cold drinks it is used. So in the cold drink, what is which acid is used? Carbonic acid. Now here is also some drinks are there, the carbonic acid is present, which gives you the taste. Nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. HCl is hydrochloric acid. Now HCl is present in our stomach. You all know that HCl is present in our stomach, which helps in the digestion of food. We have learnt about this in the chapter nutrition in animals. Okay, that is biology chapter 2. I have already uploaded a video on that. You can see. Now nitric acid used in the paint. Now if you don't know, let me tell you. In the paints, there is an acid named nitric acid. It is an inorganic acid. It is present which gives the permanent color. Now benzoic acid and enthalic acid. It is present in this. You can see these stuffs. It is present in the food, some food items, because it gives a like a so taste, good taste to our mouth. Now let me clear this stuff. So today's class is finished. It was a part 1 video. Now if you like this, please like and subscribe my channel and comment for any suggestions, and please subscribe because the part 2 video will be coming in between 7 days. So thank you for being here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.